everyone, today I'll show you how to make this round patch and also how to make the buttas with Zardosi tubes. I'll show you these two types in this video. So these are the one kind of stitches. It's not completely stick and stitch, because some of the items we will stick it and we will stitch some of the items in this one. So let's start this one. Here I'm taking this round color white kundan. It's a white stone, and I'm taking this ball chain, and I'll use the glue to complete sticking on fabric. It's a fabric glue. See here, it's a branded fabric glue, and I'm using completely Fevicryl brand. And here I'll take this one. Here I'm just rounding here like this. So okay, so it's a wet glue, let it dry, so you will find out the good design here. After that I'm taking the stone chain. It's a stone chain and it's called stone lace. Okay, for lace you will get the plastic on back side. Here it's a chain, complete chain, gold chain. You can find out here. This chain you can keep it closer. Also you can lose it like this. But here I'll give a closing chain round to that. So just I'm making these patches. Here you can find out the ready-made patches also outside. But here it's always when we are working with the Aari work or Aari embroidery, you may require this work. It's for the beginners and also for the people who want to design like this. They'll get some design here. So I'm making this. Okay. Just move around the complete round. Okay. For cutting, it's a scissor is enough. Otherwise, you can use the pilers also, cutting pilers. Okay, so up to this you can cut it. I'll use the scissor here. Okay, so cut. So apply extra glue. Okay, so let it dry. Once it get dried, then you can find out these kind of patch here. I'll show you the ready-made patches also here. Here, these are the ready-made patches. You can find out here like this. I made like these kind of patch here. This is the 3D patch. You see here, it's a 3D ring was attached on patch. You can also make that kind of patches. See here, I tried this. Okay, instead of the ring, I use the ball chain. You can use these kind of patches for the buttas and also for blouse back necks or kurtis, neck borders. You can make it like this. I'll show some photos also in my video how they have used it. Okay, so this is one kind of patch I made it. I'll show you later in my stitches more patches. Okay, now I'll show you how to make the Zardosi Buttas. Okay, for Zardosi Buttas, we require the stones or these kind of kundans. These kundans are different shapes. Okay, so I'll show you that video also. Here I am taking the drop shape of kundan, and I took patch for this round shape. Also, you can find out leaf shape. Different kind of shapes kundans are available in the market, so you can use any one of them. For the video purpose, I am taking this one. Some buttas will be bigger one and some buttas will be small one. So I have one more here. See here, this is also a kundan, but this shape was flat. Okay, so you might got this type of kundans before my videos. Now one video I have made with these kundans, I made one neck, so you might have seen over there. So yeah, this one is the smaller one. Okay, this one is the smaller one, teardrop, and it's a simple drop. Okay, so here what I'll do, I'll show you how to make this Zardosi Butta with this one. So here I'm taking the needle, sewing needle with white color thread. Also, wait. So here we got different these Zardosi tubes. This is the small tube. It's not spring. Okay, it's not spring. Spring. I don't think so. I have the spring. I don't have the spring. So here, this is the tube. For buttas, we use tube only. We can use spring also. I'll show you in my later video because I don't have the stock right now. So here I'm taking this Zardosi tube, and here before that I'll stick it. You may wonder that why I'm sticking this. Directly you can use it, but here you can directly stitch with this sewing needle, but here if you stick it, then this object will not move. Okay, so here stick it, and it will be stick and it will not move, so that your work will be easier. So here I am taking this. Okay, just before that I'll make a cut for buttas, the Zardosi tube. Here, from here to here, directly you can take one big Zardosi. Otherwise, make a cut of small pieces to stitch around this kundan. Okay, so here one side I will show you this, and one side I will show you the small pieces also. I am taking this bigger one. Okay, bigger one, and I'll take two small pieces. This is one, and this is one. Okay, so two small pieces I took. So here I'm taking the needle from the down side, just beside the kundan. Okay, on this down side here I took this. Okay, see, sewing needle, and then I'll start stitching this bigger one. Just insert this tube into this needle. It's a very small tube, so you require to take the needle also with the same size. There are a lot of small size needles available in market. Okay, for hemming purpose we use this. To this here I see it's coming on this kundan, right? So just move just beside. Here at the center point I'm taking this needle on this tube. So see here. Okay. I'll make one knot. Next I'll take from here to okay, from here to this part till this part. And here also I'll make one more stitch to just drag this one. Okay. When you make a small stitch here in between this tube and the kundan, then you will get this Zardosi tube just coming beside this kundan. Okay. So adjacent to that, I'll make this also. See, from here to here. Okay. This also, just keep it like this and give a knot. See now how beautifully it comes. So where is it? Okay. So this is a Butta. So guys, you can make round shape of kundans, also the teardrops and drop type of kundans, any type of kundans, Buttas, you can make it like this using with the Zardosi rings. Okay, you'll call this Zardosi rings Butta. Okay, I'll show you some pics also how they have used it. So that's it guys, today's video about patch making, round kundans patch makings, round patches, also the drop shape of Zardosi Buttas. So hope you people have liked my video. Please give a like button and also share it in your communities and social media about these videos who want to learn the Aari work. And here I have the regional language, other Telugu, in handicrafts in Telugu. For Hindi, story dig is there. So please, if anybody want on their own language, then they can go there and subscribe to that channel. For this channel, if not subscribed as it, so please do subscribe and click on bell button to get immediate notification whenever I upload the videos. Thanks for watching.